So I'm here with Michael and DJI Phantom booth here. We're talking about the DJI goggles. Michael, tell us a little bit about the product. What's new about it? What does it work with? What models, etc.?
Yeah, absolutely. These are the brand new DJI goggles we announced yesterday. So they're on pre-order right now for $449. It's an immersive first-person view platform optimized for the Mavic Pro. It's head-aware, so as you are wearing these, you look up, down, left, right. It controls the gimbal on the Mavic Pro. Also compatible with the Inspire and Phantom series via USB, but on those platforms, no gimbal control.
Form factor, weight-wise, what are we talking about? When you put this thing on your head, how much does it actually weigh?
You know the best part about these is that they've really been optimized to sit more on your forehead than having any weight on the bridge of your nose.
It's made specifically to work with the Mavic Pro.
Yeah, it uses the OcuSync technology, so it's optimized for Mavic Pro to be completely wireless and have control of the gimbal, but it does work with Phantom and Inspire with the connected USB cable.
What about some of the legacy models, the DJI Phantom 2, DJI Phantom 3? Yep. Does it work with those?
Yes. And then it's also a multi-use platform, so it's got an HDMI input. So if you want to connect it up to a game controller or watch a movie, for example, you can do that too on these. I mean, everyone that's been trying them on has been remarking about what kind of a cool, kind of in-the-cockpit experience this is going to bring to Mavic Pro users.
Awesome. Well, thank you for your time. Where can people go to learn more information about it?
DJI.com.